Guys, for number 9, just finding the slope. Remember, the slope is the change in y over the change in x. You could also use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right. So when we're doing the slope of 2 points, all you're going to do is just look. I'm going to take a look. This is, remember, when put it in xy. So this is the x, this is y, first x, first y, second x, second y. So the way that I do this is I just go like this, guys. I just start here at the first y, and I say, well, how do I change? How do I go from 8 to 2? Well, to go from 8 to 2, we know we are subtracting, and that is subtracting 6. And then I would do the exact same thing. And this time I'm going to go, okay, well, how do you go from 11 to 1? Well, to go to 11 to 1, that's minus 10. So now my slope is negative 6 over negative 10, right? The change in y, make sure y is on top, the second number. But then once again, we do have to simplify this. So a negative over negative is a positive. And then there is a number that goes into both of these. The number that goes into both of these is 2. So let's divide both of these by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now my slope is going to be 3/5. The other way of doing it is using this formula. It's kind of up to you, whatever you feel like you're capable with. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to use this formula. So I'm going to start with y2. Y2 is, so I'm using this formula. Sorry, guys. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2 is just the second y, so that's 2. So make sure you plug in parentheses. This first y is 8. Make sure it's minus. And then we're going to do the same thing for x. Second x is 1. First x is 11. So I get 1 minus 11. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6. 11 minus, or 1 minus 11 is negative 10, which now, once again, this reduces down to 3/5. So it doesn't matter which way you do it. Just remember, it's a change in y. Y has to be on top. Okay, do not put x on top.